today, why don't we learn how to find the molecular mass of silver sulfide? So to do so, I'm going to use the help of this table. Bam! So the first thing I need to do is fill in the elements that I see in my formula. So I see silver, so I'm going to write down silver. I also see sulfur, so I'm going to write down sulfur. The next thing is I need to know the number of atoms of each particular element in this compound. That's where the subscripts come into play. So this 2 down here tells me that I have 2 silvers. So I'm going to write 2 in here. And then there is an invisible one at the bottom of sulfur, so I know I have 1 sulfur. What we're going to do is we're then going to take the number of atoms there and multiply it by the mass of each particular element now. We need the periodic table for this, so why don't we look at it? So here's the periodic table over here, and it looks like silver is about 107.87. Now, if you're doing this in molar mass, those units down there are going to be in grams per mole. If this is molecular mass, then it will be in AMU, aka atomic mass unit. And there's also the value of sulfur, 32.07. So let's write those down. So we got 107.87, and then we had 32.07. Now all you have to do is multiply these rows on across. So when we do that, we come up with an answer here of about 215.74. And then obviously this just works out to be 32.07. And then what we're simply going to do is add those total masses together now to find the total mass of the entire compound. So when we add those values together, we're going to get about 247.81. So since we're solving for molecular mass, the units here are in AMU, aka atomic mass units. Guys, thanks so very much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Please help us out by subscribing and liking, maybe even telling your friends. We appreciate it, and we'll see you soon. Take care.